I'm Liz for First Wind. Today we're going to be doing something that anyone who's ever seen a wind farm is dying to do. Climb one of these bad boys. Let's go. Okay.
Just hand over hand and easy as she goes.
All right, sounds good. See you guys up there.
Right now we're at the base to mid section. This is at the top of the base section. The mid section of the tower is bolted up. We're about 85 feet up in the air right now, with about another 180 to go.
Sounds good. Now you're so much faster than the rest of us. About how often do you climb this thing?
Try and climb a couple times a week. Not as much as I used to, but you know, with practice, about a 6-minute climb is average for average technicians.
6 minutes all the way up?
All the way up.
Oh my gosh. All right, so Ryan, tell us where we are now.
Well, where we are now, we're at the yaw deck of the turbine. This is just below the nacelle at the very top of the top tower section. What we have here, these are all of the cables that allow the turbine to not only operate, but to communicate with the master control system in the bottom of the tower. What we also have here are the power cables that deliver energy from the generator back to the grid.
So these guys are pretty smart.
Yes, they are a very
Okay.
intelligent machine. They're constantly tracking wind speed, wind direction, temperatures. They are a very intelligent machine.
All right, so now we're headed up for the last leg of the trip, up to the nacelle.
Yep, I'll grab the ladder to get us up there, and we'll give the full tour.
Sounds good. Smacking my head on it. Okay. There we go. All right. Where to?
So here we are in the nacelle.
Uh-huh. Now, exactly how many feet are we up in the air right now?
We're approximately 270 feet in the air right now.
Okay.
So the wind is obviously going to be a lot stronger up here than it is on the ground.
Can you tell us what we're looking at in front of us?
Yes, what's in front of us now is the main shaft, and this is what the rotor, or the hub, and all 3 blades are bolted to.
Okay.
Main shaft is run into our gearbox here, and what the gearbox does is take that low speed rotation, transmits it into a high speed rotation into the generator.
So all the power that's coming from here goes right down through the cables we just saw on the level before us?
Yes, that's correct.
All right, well, I think what we're all looking forward to doing is heading up top. You think we can go?
Yeah, we'll get up on top.
All right, sounds good. Oh my. All right, so it's pretty cloudy up here today, but in actuality, how high up are we?
We're about 275 feet off the ground now, being on top of the nacelle.
Straight up in the air.
Yes. Yeah.
And behind us, you see a weather station. Can you tell us a little bit about what that measures?
Yes, the Met station that's behind us measures not only the wind speed, but also the wind direction. So the turbine constantly knows where to point itself into the wind. And with the wind speed, to know when to pitch the blades to start capturing the wind, and when to pitch them out when the wind speeds either get too high or too low.
To learn more about wind power, please come and visit us at firstwind.com. I'm Liz. I'll see you next time.